All right, so today I am making enchiladas. I am like spilling the cheese all over the place, but this is enchilada cheese. I got it from the Mexican store, and it tastes really good. Like it's kind of like a stinky cheese, but stinky cheese is like the way to go. I'm sorry, you're just like seeing my hands, but this is how it's got to be done. I'm trying to get a lot of cheese on here. My hands, at least this one, is stained. All right, so right now I'm just kind of assembling everything. I've got my tortillas in the pan. I'm doing beef in this one and then chicken in this one. This kind of hurts my back a little bit because I'm like hunching up like, hey guys. These are the tortillas that I'm using. They're really good, very fresh. They just came out of the oven when I picked them up. And meat is provided by City View Tacos. You live in Dallas, bomb. Like, you gotta go there, hands down. 24/7, it's open. They have a little elote cart that's open from like some hours, but like, bomb. It's so good. And they do sell meat by the pound if you do want it. So good. So this is what it's looking like the before. It's a little messy. And this is my beans, and I might do a little green sauce. But yeah, this is the cheese, and then this is the chicken and beef. And then I got this just in case, like, for the rest of my family members, if they don't like that type of cheese, we got this. This is what the chicken's looking like so far. And then I'm gonna add some cheese on top along with a little sauce. And so this is what the top should be looking like. So I'm gonna add a little bit more cheese on top.